Good morning. Hello. Where are we, Meg?
Legoland.
Legoland. We are in Legoland. It might kind of be my fault. I said we need to leave early to miss all the traffic, but we're here an hour early now. It doesn't open for another hour. This is the car park, and there's one other person there that are equally as mad as us.
And there's somebody there.
But we are the only people here so far. So we're gonna go and figure out what we're doing and head towards the entrance. Let's go. Oh, wait.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're in! I'm leaving them in charge of where we're going first. Right, we're buying this Cubot thing. We're getting this Cubot, little, looks like a Tamagotchi. So you put your ride in, and we've done the dearest one, £80 per person it is, but it cuts the queue time down by 95% apparently, so we'll see how that works.
So you go through, these are all the names of the rides. So you just go through, pick the one you want, and then because it says for the moment when it's open or however things, you just press the circle button, and you'll pretty much, because you've done the unlimited one, you'll pretty much be able to go straight on.
Boom! Right, they're not silly. They let you into the park, but they only let you into the entrance, which you can get into the shop. Megan's buying Lego. You can get into the shop, funny enough, but you can't get into the park. What's open? All of it? Yeah. Right, the park's open now. That was really good though. As we was coming down, they got all the countries and all the main landmarks of each country made out of Lego. That was pretty good. There, 23.
How much you run now? Take your coat off and sit on your coat.
Right, Megan's had her caricature done. She's here having her hair braided, I think now.
Can we see? Right, we're queuing up to go on, what's it called? Ninjago. Lovely, thank you. There we go, up here.
Typical British weather. It started to rain. We've got on a few rides now. That Cubot thing is definitely worth the money because there was an hour wait on that ride, that Ninjago, and we just went straight on it. So that's a bonus so far.
The wizard, mate. Good, isn't it?
On the Dragon roller coaster, what do you think?
Good.
It's so good, we're going to go on it again. Let's go. Bye, mummy.
Right, we're back on the roller coaster. We're at the front this time.
great. Got out of the rain for a minute and had some food. Figured out where we're going next. I think we're off again. Got anything to say? No? Fair enough. Let's go again. Meg, you good to go? Woo! Still raining. Come on then, everybody. Right, we've just been on the Knight's Quest, is it? Knight's Quest.
Better?
Boom. Oh, so close, Meg, so close. Thank God Megan didn't win one of them. I didn't want to carry it around for the rest of the day. Whew. Close call. Megan's panning for gold.
That
might be the difference. We had to pan for gold, and if our gold weighed more than what they had on their scales, Megan got a medal, so we won. Right, we come into another shop to dry off and warm up. The only trouble is we seem to spend money every time we come in the shop. Let's go again.
Actually, I've got two. Pirate Captain!
That's a bit more like it. Now, who are you?
Who am I? I am the fearsome, fearless Pirate Captain! Pirate Captain!
We're buying more stuff just for an excuse to come in somewhere and warm up again. It's not good weather today, look. Chucking it down. We don't put you in there. Megan just come off one of these submarines and Kim didn't go on, so Megan's just gone on again with Kim. See where they are. How'd you get on, Meg? How'd you get on, mummy? Was it scary? Back in the shop buying gloves now. Sorted? Meg, what's that face for? You wanted to go on it.
My fingers are freezing!
I told you you'd get soaked and you went, no, I won't. Don't know, we're going to be firefighters in the rain.
And go, 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 go!
Come on, mummy! Come on! Come on! Come on, Megan! I'm soaked too, Meg. I think that's it. Should we go home? Yes. Let's go. Where are we going? Right, that's it. I think we're calling it quits. We're giving in. Defeat. Megan's gone to the shop. Got some Lego. I think we're going to head to the hotel so she can build her Lego. That's it. The weather's just put a stop to it all, really. We'll come back when the weather's a bit better. It's been a good day though. It's been good. Thank you. Legoland has redeemed themselves. They've given away free cream eggs. So, yep, you've redeemed yourself. Right, we're all done. We had a good day at Legoland, even though it was raining. We're in the hotel. We're just gonna go and get something to eat, and then I think that's it. I think we are done. And we're heading to Isle of Widget tomorrow. Then the night.